Make his praise glorious. This people I have formed for myself. They shall declare my praise. I will cleanse them from all their iniquity by which they have sinned against me, and I will pardon all their iniquities by which they have sinned, and by which they have transgressed against me. Then it shall be to me a name of joy, a praise, and an honor before all nations of the earth. Therefore by him let us continually offer the sacrifice of praise to God, that is, the fruit of our lips, giving thanks to his name. I will praise you, O Lord my God, with all my heart, and I will glorify your name forevermore. For great is your mercy toward me, and you have delivered my soul from the depths of Sheol. Who is like you, O Lord, glorious in holiness, fearful in praises, doing wonders? I will praise the name of God with a song, and will magnify him with thanksgiving. They sing the song of Moses, the servant of God, and the song of the Lamb, saying, Great and marvelous are your works, Lord God Almighty. We were by nature children of wrath, just as the others. We ourselves were also once foolish, disobedient, deceived, serving various lusts and pleasures, living in malice and envy, hateful and hating one another. Do not marvel that I said to you, you must be born again. Job answered the Lord and said, Behold, I am vile. What shall I answer you? I lay my hand over my mouth. The Lord said to Satan, Have you considered my servant Job, that there is none like him on the earth, a blameless and upright man who fears God and shuns evil? Behold, I, David, was brought forth in iniquity, and in sin my mother conceived me. David, to whom also God gave testimony and said, I have found David the son of Jesse, a man after my own heart, who will do all my will. I, Paul, was formerly a blasphemer, a persecutor, and an insolent man, but I obtained mercy. That which is born of the flesh is flesh, and that which is born of the Spirit is spirit.